What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Maximus, aka Mr. Simonium, aka Mr. Xavier Soul. And we back with another unboxing video for y'all. I told y'all, anytime y'all see me on this right here, y'all see one of these in my hand, y'all know what it is. We got a new pair in the mail, baby, which means we just had a fresh release. So y'all need to tune in and check out what we got for y'all today. Now, before I crack this shit open, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna spend too much time talking. I'm gonna make it short and sweet as I can today. I need to introduce somebody to y'all. We got the other half of the name of this brand, Xavier Soul. I'm Xavier. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Soul. Speak to the people real quick, man.
Going on, folks? What's happening? Mr. Soul in the house. Mr. Soul Man. You know what I'm saying? You listen in the four corners of wrestling. You already know Mr. Soul Man Simmons coming off the top rope, dropping the elbow in them fools. You know
BOD in the building, baby.
BOD style, baby. You know what I'm saying? You see the end. You know what I'm saying? It's official. He got more than I do, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Big bro, little bro, doing our thing, trying to change the world. Xavier Soul style. Go ahead and cop you a pair. Glad that you did. Show
You
them what we got,
already
man.
know. Look, man, we ain't gonna get into it too much more. Y'all already know we gonna cut this thing open together. I haven't even looked in this box. I created the design, we got it popping, and they here today. So let's do this together as one. Got the trusty vampire, y'all already know. Blade! Let's go. Shit on the damn tape. Okay, here we go. Let's go from this angle. Oh, man. These joints actually came quicker than usual, too. Like, normally, you know what I'm saying? When I probably got to wait about 3 weeks or so. You know what I'm saying? These is like the prototype pair. But when y'all order y'all get y'all in like 2 weeks. Surprisingly, these came in like 2 weeks this time. So, shit, let's see what's what. I got a lot of tape on this one this time. Alright, we just gonna rip this bitch. Christmas style. Woo! Yes, sir. Look, y'all see that? Get you something with your name on it, baby. What? I almost don't want to mess it up. It's so nice. But we just going for the custom. Pull these things out. Yeah, hold on. Let's do it like this. Come on, get out of there. Box is fitted in the box. Alright, hold up, y'all. Give me a minute, man. They got this thing secure.
At least you know they're going to be protected when they come.
That part. Free shipping worldwide. No matter where you at. You be in Africa, Australia, goddamn
Antarctica,
right,
with the penguins,
Greece. They go any and everywhere. Let's check out this box design first off. You know what I mean? Y'all see that? Y'all hear that? Solid. Y'all see that, baby? Get your name on some business. Nice flap open, yeah. Ooh. Look at that wax, baby. Oh shit.
Okay.
Here, you go ahead, you pull that one out, man. And y'all see, as usual, freshly bagged, baby. Designer shit. Oh my goodness. Damn. Yo, I ain't even gonna fake, y'all. This is more than I expect. I ain't expect all this. Damn, hold it. Y'all, let me get the zoom in for y'all.
That sounds nice right
Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Look at the butter on them sways, man. Look at the butter. Oh, shit. Gold bottoms.
there. Tongue is sweet. See inside the tongue?
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Hold on. Let me take this off a little bit. See what we got going on here. Right, there we go.
You cannot wear these in the rain, let me tell you.
Please don't. Get you
It's
some.
rain in the forecast, don't even put these motherfuckers on.
Look, get you some waterproofer, something. Yeah, cause this leather here, ooh wee, this that good shit. Fresh shoe smell test. Pass with flying colors. I ain't about to lick the bottoms and all that shit like I see people do. We ain't doing all that, homes. But yeah, look, take another look. Let me get this right on the lens for y'all, man. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Bam!
These joints look like something.
Look at the inside of the tongue. Can y'all get that? Can y'all see that for real? Like, I don't want
Gold for the gold.
These things is butter.
What you think, man?
Man, I think we got a winner.
What you think, man?
Oh, the go?
Hang
Yeah,
on there,
that's
man.
look, man.
Put like a little clip, just let it hang there. You know,
Hey,
Flavor
bruh.
Flav style.
What?
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck a clock, fuck a pop, papa a doc, all of that. We rocking kicks off our shit, nigga.
Right, like, yeah. Dang.
Man, these things is hardcore though, man. Make sure y'all go check out the website. Get you a pair of these. www.aliveshoes.com/Xavier-soul-9. Y'all heard me. Y'all need me to say it again? That's www.aliveshoes.com/Xavier-soul-9. Link will be in the description. Y'all got to get up on these, man. Whew. These is clean. You'll fuck them up. Y'all step outside and these joints, man. Good God of mercy. It's so beautiful, I barely want to try it on. I ain't got to try it on because I know they fit. This ain't my first pick.
See, I'm just holding. I'm just like, wow.
Oh, man. Yeah, these things beautiful. Here. All right, look. We ain't going to take too much of y'all time today. We just wanted to unbox these. We wanted to do it together with y'all. You know what I mean? I know y'all saw my past couple videos. I had to come bring bro in on this one, you know what I mean? So we can holler at y'all one time, let y'all know, like, look, man, this ain't just a one-man band. We a family business, baby. You know what I'm saying? We doing this shit out here.
Yes, sir.
So, hey, get up on these, man. Website in the description. We out.